Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm the Wandering New Yorker, and here on my channel I do virtual walks, sharing the sights and sounds of New York City. Right now, we are going to take a tour of the 9/11 Memorial. This was filmed on Labor Day, September 6th, 2021, at around 2:45 p.m. It was a beautiful sunny day, around 80 degrees. The 9/11 Memorial officially opened on September 11, 2011, 10 years after the 9/11 attacks. It consists of two memorial pools, each nearly an acre in size, at the exact locations of the original Twin Towers. The names of the 2,983 people who perished in the 9/11 and the 1993 attacks on the World Trade Center are inscribed around each pool. The North Pool, which you see right now, includes those killed in the North Tower, on hijacked Flight 11, and in the 1993 bombing. Here we have the South Pool, which includes the names of first responders who perished and those who were killed in the South Tower, the Pentagon, and hijacked flights 175, 77, and 93. So this is one of the souvenir kiosks that you'll find at the 9/11 memorial. This particular one is in between the two pools. I just wanted to give you an idea of what kind of souvenirs are being sold. This is one side of the kiosk. So I've been to the 9/11 memorial numerous times since 2012. That was the first time I came here. And each time, including this day filming this, there's always a very palpable mix of sorrow and serenity present in the air. I don't know if that comes through in the video, but in person it's very present. There's sorrow in the air for the tragic loss of lives, while the sounds of these waterfall pools provide a very needed sense of serenity. Even filming this today, on this day, I found myself getting very emotional. It just permeates you. You might have noticed earlier in the video a lot of trees. Both pools, really the whole 9/11 memorial, there's quite a few beautiful, beautiful trees. What's interesting is that the first time I came here, I distinctly remember that those trees weren't there. There was no shade whatsoever. It was a very hot day, and I remember there was no shade. So I did a little research, and I learned that these trees were planted in 2007, and they are swamp white oak trees. I would be remiss if I didn't mention One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower. It's the skyscraper you saw earlier in this video. It's the building that essentially replaced the World Trade Center. One World Trade Center is the tallest building in the United States, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere, and the sixth tallest building in the world. The Freedom Tower opened on November 3rd, 2014. Also part of the 9/11 memorial is the 9/11 museum. An employee told me it sells out by 3 p.m. every day. For tickets, visit 911memorial.org. Finally, here's the entrance to the One World Trade Center observatory deck. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more strolls.